Tech Impact.
I welcome you to my YouTube channel. I post videos about how you can grow on YouTube and any problem you're facing in YouTube. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you're going to create a second YouTube channel using your previous YouTube account or an email to do that. So firstly guys, I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss whenever I post a new and awesome videos. So the first thing we are going to do now we have opened our YouTube channel, is by clicking our profile picture at the right top corner. So you're going to head into the settings. You can see right here, we're going to go to settings, and right here it says add or manage your channel. Right down here, we're going to click on that. And here now, this channel I'm about to create now for this tutorial video is gonna be my third channel on this particular YouTube account. So you can see the first one there and you can see the second one there. So you're gonna click on create account, create your channel, and here now is where you enter your YouTube name. You can see where it says here you can use your brand name or other name. A good channel name represents you and your content. You can change your channel name at any time. You can see what it says here. A good channel name represents your content. So before you create a YouTube channel, you must make sure the first thing we are going to be looking at is the name. Is the name searchable? Is it a name that is easily typed on YouTube and it pops out? So that's what you guys are going to be looking at here. So in this my video, I'm going to be using this football court HD. So is something that is a name. It's not that difficult to search for. It's very simple to search for. So avoid using names whereby you have to put apostrophe or something. So now that I've chosen my name, all I have to do now is create. Click on create. My channel name, I click on create. Sorry guys, it's loading up. I'm having a network issue. So here now our channel has been created. You can see this is the surface, and guys, this is not the end. I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your profile picture, your tags, and your banner as well. In fact, I'm going to show you how you can customize your channel so when you upload, you start getting views and your channel can start ranking high on the YouTube search engine. So to do that now, the first thing we are going to do now, we are going to head into customize channel. So because this is your first time, they ask you to welcome to YouTube Studio, and the first thing you want to do is click on continue, and you want to dismiss some of all those pop-ups. And now we're going to head into our branding. Yeah, we're going to head into our branding. So in this tutorial, the first thing we are going to be doing now is upload a profile picture. So I'm going to just crop this profile picture to what I want. This is my channel profile picture and it's better now. So I'm just going to click on done, and you see how it appears properly. So the next thing we are going to do now is we're going to add a channel banner by clicking on upload. I'm selecting it and open, and you can see here this is my channel banner. Guys, if you don't know how to create a channel banner, I will be posting the link will be posted in the description for you guys to go and check out how to do that. You can see here this is how it's going to appear both on system and laptops and televisions on mobile devices. You can see the images that displays right here on this small box where you see here. This is how it all is going to appear. So now that you've put your banner, all you have to do now is click on publish, and your settings will be saved. So from here now you can see here it says changes published. So go to channel, and you can see how beautiful this channel is looking now. It looks good. We have our banner and our profile picture and a good name. So we are going to head into our YouTube studio now to continue the setup. So YouTube studio, So here now, what we are going to do now is we are going to go to our settings. From our YouTube studio, you go to settings. From our YouTube studio, guys, you have to go to YouTube studio before you go to the settings. From here now, you go to your channel, and here now you're going to check your feature legibility. You can see here the first one says standard features is being eligible. You're eligible for it, and the second one here, the eligible is on green, so you're going to make sure that is on green as well as the first one. So I'm going to show you guys how to verify your YouTube channel in case you don't know how to verify your YouTube channel. Verifying your YouTube channel is simply using your phone number and verifying it. So once you verify your YouTube channel, you'll be able to post videos above 10 minutes, and also it allows you to upload your video with thumbnail. So if you haven't verified your YouTube channel, you won't be able to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video when you're uploading. So right here you can see here I've put my phone number and the verification has been sent to me, and I'll type in my verification code right into this line where it says enter your 6-digit verification code. So now that I've put it, I'm going to click on submit, and it loads up and you can see phone number verified. Congratulations, your phone number is now verified. It also means that your YouTube channel is verified. This verified doesn't mean you have to have a mark on your YouTube. It just simply allows you for other features. So now that you're verified our YouTube channel, you can see now the second one is on green. You can see right there. So we're going to head into advanced settings. Here is where you are going to select if your channel is meant for kids. So because of this tutorial, this video I'm making is not a channel meant for kids. It's a channel that I would love comment comment. So I'll select not made for kids. So it will proceed by going to basic info. So the basic info, the first thing that appears here is country of residence. So before we add this country of residence, I'm going to show you something that most of you might see in case if you don't set this up. So I've saved that, which we have done, and I'm going to head into monetization, which is the first time I'm supposed to show you guys before we continue this video. I'm sorry about that. So when you head to your monetization, you see where it says monetization not available in your country. This is because you have not selected a country, a state, or whichever one. So selecting your location, you must make sure you select a location that permits YouTube in the country. YouTube is permitted, YouTube runs, so you must make sure you select a country. So I'm going to head back into settings and go to my channel and basic info. From basic info, as we did before, I'm going to select the country which I am in. So these are all the list of countries that allows YouTube to run in the state. So Nigeria, I'm going to select Nigeria there, and to continue our video, I'm going to type in tags. You can see here now keywords. These are keywords are basically what helps your channel to be seen when it's being searched. So you might want to put your YouTube channel name there and what your channel is all about, as you can see right here. So now that I've put all this info, all I have to do is click on save, and all we have done will be saved. So you can see right here, this is the requirement before you can be monetized. You have 1,000 subscribers with your 4,000 watch hour. Two-step verification is turned on, is active. This channel currently does not have any community strike. So I'm going to click on notify me when I'm eligible for monetization. So guys, that's also how to do this. If you find this video helpful, kindly make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on the notification to be notified whenever I post any video. Thank you and God bless you.